Hello guys, this is Vysh. So what happened on August 12th in history? There's a new series which we started where I'm teaching you different things, and every time I'll show you an MCQ also in connection to the things which happened. Okay, so Project Loon, sometimes seen in news, is related to waste management technology, wireless communication technology, solar power production technology, or water conservation technology. This is a 2016 prelims question. 2016 was one of the easiest prelims also compared to the last 6 years. The cutoff that year went, I think, around 110 or 120. So that much easy it was. Now you see the cutoff, it is 85 and 84 and all. So that much easy it was. People, whoever gave the prelims would have got scored like above 100. Still, you may not clear. So this is the Project Loon question, and here I will show you answer also. This is actually B, wireless communication technology. Actually, Google had this project where hot air balloons will be there. There you will have this internet facility kind of thing. Like now we have internet through satellites. We have, instead of satellites, in case of any disaster or anything and all, when you cannot depend on the satellites or other things, a hot air balloon will be acting as the link for your like modem connectivity, and you will get the this thing, internet connectivity. So Google had this Project Loon. It was in news, and many other companies are also doing it. So this is the answer for this. So this related one thing had happened on August 12. Okay, not this exactly. Another companies, another countries, another thing was there. So that is why I just showed you an MCQ. Every day we'll show you one MCQ and the news for the day or the importance of that day. So now what happened in history? August 12th, two things it is. One is it is International Youth Day, and it's also it is World Elephant Day. Okay, recently you saw August 10th, I think it was Lion Day. Like this, every year if I teach you few things in your exam hall, hopefully you will be able to recollect. In SSC and PSC and all, these things are common things. In UPSC also recently they have started asking these kind of GK fact. Okay, then August 12th, 1877, Thomas Alva Edison, you know, who invented the many things he invented. So he made this first phonograph, you can tell, or the gramophone, which you will know, that musical instrument where one disc is there and then music is playing. The initial form of that, you can tell, the first phonograph based on the telephone and telegraph technology already which is there. He used that thing and made a kind of first phonograph on August 12th, 1877. Then another important personality, you know, Vikram Sarabhai, our space main person, you can tell, Indian space research, the main person. So his birthday is on August 12, 1919. Then August 12, 1960, this is where that question comes to significance. The first balloon communication satellite ever, the Echo 1, was launched by the United States from Cape Canaveral. Okay, that is the place where they launch their rockets and satellites and all. So first ever balloon communication satellite was on August 12, 1960. Okay, so and Google now did it in 2016 again. So now again, that's a communication satellite. Okay, that's a different thing and this is a different thing, but just a relation was there. August 12, 1981, IBM company, the computer company, introduced the first personal computer, the model 5150, at a press conference in New York. So these are all historical things which happened on this particular day. Okay, another thing, a skeleton of a dinosaur, you can tell, it was discovered, FMNHPR 2081, and it is nicknamed as Sue. Sue is the person, the fossil collector, his name is Sue, and so nickname was given. It is one of the largest and most extensive and best preserved this dinosaur specimens ever found. Okay, 90% of it was recovered, that dinosaurs 90% was recovered. That again happened in August 12, 1990. And then again, a Russian complete submarine and 118 member crew completely lost or disappeared into the Barents Sea. Okay, Barents Sea in the map, try to find out where it is. This also was important. Like this, many things are there, many other people's birthdays are there, many war happened, but I felt what can be picked up for competitive exams in India, that alone I have picked it up. Okay, or in your mains answers you can use this as a fodder point. So this is the August 12th thing. And now for test series or any other information, WhatsApp number is given. Free classes if you want, daily watch my free videos, your syllabus will completely get over. Okay, every day if you watch our videos itself, your syllabus will complete. If you need practice, you need test series, you can WhatsApp and get that as well. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.